Hey lovely people, welcome back to this channel. So quick question for you today. Have you ever dreamed of living abroad, learning a new language and actually getting paid while doing it? Picture this, you are waking up in a cozy home in the heart of Europe, having a hot coffee or tea, exploring new cities on weekends and becoming part of a real European family, all while gaining global experience that looks amazing on your CV. That's exactly what happens when you become an au pair in Luxembourg. And in this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know, what being an au pair really means, who can apply, the full step-by-step process, the perks and the challenges, and where to find verified real au pair opportunities. So stick with me to the end because I will also drop the official application links. They are in the description below so you can literally start applying today. Let's start with the basics. An au pair is a young person who lives with a host family abroad, helps with childcare and light household chores, and in return gets free accommodation, meals, and a monthly allowance. You are not just working for the family, you are living with the family. You will learn their language, share their traditions, and create memories that will stick with you for life. And the good thing is, Luxembourg regulates this legally. So both you and the host family are protected. Now, why Luxembourg? Is honestly one of Europe's hidden treasures. It's safe, clean, multilingual, and surrounded by France, Belgium, and Germany, so weekend trips across Europe are super easy. People here speak French, German, Luxembourgish, and English. Meaning is perfect whether you are looking to learn or improve your language skills. Most host families in Luxembourg are respectful, financially stable, and genuinely want cultural exchange, not exploitation. So if you want a high quality au pair experience, Luxembourg is easily a top tier choice. Okay, so let's talk about who can apply. You will need to be between 18 and 29 years old. You should have finished secondary school, understand at least one of the family's languages, even at beginner level, and you will need a healthcare certificate to prove you are fit for the role. And also, you can't be related to your host family. If that sounds like you, you are good to go. Now, here's the step-by-step on how to apply. Step 1 is to find a host family through verified agencies. Avoid random posts on social media. Sign a hosting agreement that aligns your pocket money, duties, and time off. Get the agreement approved by Luxembourg National Youth Service. Apply for a visa or residence permit if needed. Once you arrive, you register locally and get your medical check. That's all you need to do. You are officially an au pair in Luxembourg. Let's talk about the benefits because they are actually very amazing. You will receive pocket money around 1/5 of the minimum wage. You will get a private room, free meals, and insurance coverage. The host family pays for your language classes. You get free time and days off to explore and enjoy your new home. And remember, you are not a domestic worker, you are a cultural guest. Of course, it's not all perfect. You might feel homesick, face culture shock, or struggle with language barriers at first. But here's my advice for you. Be clear about expectations before you arrive. Join local au pair or expat groups and make the most of your weekends exploring new places. Trust me, once you settle in, this will become one of the most unforgettable experiences of your life. Now, let's talk about where to find real au pair opportunities in Luxembourg. Here are verified platforms you can trust. Au Pair World, the biggest global platform. Alpha Omega Au Pair Luxembourg is a reliable local agency. Los Au Pair is Luxembourg-based and accredited. Lu, their official national portal. Also, Lu is their government site for official forms and info. All the links are right there in the video description. Go check them out after this video and start applying today. So, to wrap it all up, becoming an au pair in Luxembourg isn't all about traveling or working abroad. It's about growing, it's about stepping out of your comfort zone, gaining confidence, and seeing life through a whole new lens. If you've ever wanted a safe, structured, and affordable way to experience Europe, this is it for you. And if this video gave you clarity or motivation, don't just scroll away. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss the next opportunity I will be sharing. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you try becoming an au pair? Or do you know someone who should? Also, right after this, check the first link in the description to explore verified au pair and scholarship programs. Start applying now while the openings are still fresh. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, your dream life abroad isn't as far away as you think. It starts with one click, one application, and one decision to believe in yourself. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay driven, and keep chasing your global dream.